How to link Instagram account with Facebook. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to link your Instagram account to your Facebook account? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Facebook on your device. You will land on its official homepage. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top. Then tap on the settings icon at the top. Now tap on the account center card from Meta. Then tap on profiles. As you can see, only my Facebook account is currently visible in the account center, confirming that my Instagram account has not been linked yet. To link your Instagram account, tap on the Add Accounts option. Then, your Instagram account will automatically appear below your Facebook account. To link these accounts, tap the Continue button. Make sure to read the details provided here, then tap on Allow and Finish Adding button. As you can see, both my Facebook and Instagram accounts are now visible in the account center, indicating that they have been linked. And boom! You have successfully learned how to link your Instagram account with Facebook. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.